process. What does that really mean for our coffee, for our specialty coffee world? So that is the phase after the coffee gets picked from the trees and it goes through our wet mill. And each of these processes on their own are very intricate and very in-depth explanations that we're not really gonna get into for this video. But what I wanna say is that the most common processes that we practice are the fully washed, the natural process, and the honey process. And then from this point at the farm, each of these coffees get transported to the dry mill. And then it goes through a whole nother process. So what I want you guys to know is that that's what that means. When you hear that word process, this is what happens at the farm. This is how these beans get treated after they get handpicked from the trees. And again, we will continue to talk about each of these processes in our other video series. Thank you so much, and click the link below, subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you very much.